Well, looks like someone I know really took the time to wiggle their toes, nose, and bow because we got 2 feet of snow. Well, that's just a popular expression here in my neighborhood. And this is how the area looks like right in front of my balcony. And look at my balcony. Let's crouch down a little bit so we could level off here. And look at how high that is. Let's test the height and see how much snow did this balcony accumulate from yesterday night up until today. As you can see, well, we got nearly 2 feet of snow. The height is a little above 23 inches. And if we look outside, it is still snowing a little bit. So we are still in the middle of the January 25, 2026 snowstorm that really hit us yesterday. And this is the aftermath of it. Focusing on my balcony, let's see if we can clean up the snow from the balcony of both mine and my neighbors right over here. Let's get to it, shall we? Here's my snow bridge, if you could call it that. Here's how we're looking right now. 32 minutes later, during the challenge of the aftermath of the Sunday, January 25, 2026 snowstorm. And as for my balcony, here's how mine looks, and here's the one for my neighbor. So she's gonna be happy, I'm gonna be happy, and so will you guys be happy. So you guys, wherever you are, viewing this in the YouTube world, can have an opportunity to see how this snowstorm affected Lawrence, Massachusetts.